I'm just going to go to the next place and we're going to find this spot. And then I'm going to copy that link, open a new tab here. And then this one this one was going to be, I played around with this one when we looked at it. And so this is 35 acres. And just go back here, get a better shot. Yeah. And so I thought it might have been something like this. That's 50 acres. It could be something like this. But sometimes these US properties are all, the property lines are all weird. So let me just take a closer look in here and see if we can get a better sense of, there's a teardown as part of it. That's a really well built house. Some decent outbuildings. It's cool. This property is already, it's already almost a winner just based on everything I've seen. Oh, here we go. Oh, isn't that strange? Okay, so that's good. So it's not, oh, look at this. It's not even close to what I thought. It's here. And you come in here. Around there. Wow, I'm going to zoom out a bit more here too. Comes out to around there. Goes below this. Comes out to here. Below this. And then up like this. There. It was approximate enough. This is our Norwood 35 acres. I'll just call it. And then we'll do this. Copy. Shift Command N. Full folder. Paste. Boom. 35 acres. Norwood. Right there. Boom. Properties to view. So found. Check. Next. Okay. New tab. Should be fairly straight ahead. We've been lucky on this round. There's sometimes I look for properties and you struggle with finding every single one. But this is going surprisingly well. Let's see here. Oh, fantastic, guys. So 33.8 acres. 33.8 acres. Let's get us, double click that to get true north. And then let's look for some geographical features here, there. There's some weird subdivisions here. Is that maybe the whole property is that shape? Is that what we're saying here? I'm going to zoom out a little bit. It's kind of subdivided amongst, that's always kind of weird. Let's go to a later year. Try to match. There we go. There we go. There we can get a way better drawing here. So we're starting on this finger here. Kind of going up in here around this field a little bit to this. Here. 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 Here across the road. So he's got an easement down here to here to here. 30. Look at that. Fantastic. So this is Logan, Alabama, 35 acres. Or yeah, whatever it is, 33 or something. So that's found. That's nice. Nice and easy.